So hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and I'm as always amazing. So yeah, I'm here back with another design unfold episode. So today we are going to unfold one of my different kind of design as compared to last one. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So yeah, now let's move to our screen. So we are here at my screen now, and today we are going to unfold this design, and yeah, it's going to be amazing. So make sure to watch video till end, and let's start from the ground level. So yeah, I can't let me disable all the stuff. Okay, let's start from scratch. So first of all, I search for a background, and but later I don't like it, so I just added a hue and saturation layer. You can add it from here, hue saturation, and accordingly change from 0 to left side, and yeah, probably it was 98, and put this color. And then to add a little gradient effect at the background, I just took a brush tool, and let's increase its size and decrease its hardness. You can add a layer, you can add a gradient like this. Okay, let's take it down, and just you can take and you can just choose a color. Okay, and I probably choose a lighter shade and just add a gradient, and yeah, decrease its opacity. These two shades are pretty different, but yeah, I did it the same way and it worked well. Okay, I didn't change the opacity here, but the way to create gradient is same. Okay, I've made it really long back. It's been now 2 3 months, so I don't remember much. But yeah, I would try to give you a maximum utilization you can take out of my design. So this is I added. This is a brush, basically a type of brush. You can just go here and choose a brush, and in maybe here, yeah, brush settings. You can choose a brush from here, and it is just a brush which I just rubbed up so to give an effect. And now this is a table, this is a image. I found it on internet and just mask it because edges were not looking that much clear. So yeah, used a mask and just rubbed a paintbrush just like this. Okay, if I edit the mask, so yeah, it is like this only. Paintbrush was general brush, hard round, and it's like pressing shift and this. So it's pretty similar to this. And then I added levels to give a certain darkness or provide depth to the image, to make to highlight shadows, or and to highlight use make use of highlights and shadows, basically shadows. And yeah, and then added a burger. Okay, this image I found it on Bing. I personally prefer Bing over Google search because PNG's image are great over Bing rather than Google. So yeah, found it here, and just add a little bit shadow. And I've already told you how you can add shadow. And this is a spinach which I added to give an amazing background and it is blurred. I've added a Gaussian blur here. So yeah, you can just simply select the image and go to filters and add a Gaussian blur and arrange it in a such a way in such a composition so that it looks good. Then I added this tomato and yeah, it's like I have to add a mask here if I disable the mask because it was not an PNG image. So yeah, okay, I think it was not a PNG image. Okay, it was, but I have to add layer mask because it might be, yeah, it's have a, I feel the edges were not clear and it was creating a distraction. That's why I added a layer mask to give it a clean look and then added a Gaussian blur and then added a levels layer to highlight shadows. Same is the case with onion. It was not an PNG image, so I have to add a layer mask and same Gaussian blur and I added a Burger King logo here. Give it a little drop shadow to give it some depth and color overlay to give it a white color. You can just go to this and you can add drop shadow from here and you can add color overlay from here. I've already told in my Photoshop playlist, you can go and check out them also. And yeah, at last, Burger Week added a font and give it a drop shadow to give it a depth effect. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this design unfold episode. So if you have enjoyed, make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe also. And you can also follow me on different social media platforms. I will give the links in description or you can see it down below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.